Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to unpin a chat in WhatsApp on your PC. If you have a chat pinned and want to remove it from the top of your chats list, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Locate the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or search for it in your Applications folder to open the app. Step 2. Right-click the pinned chat. Pinned chats usually appear at the top of your chats list, making them easily accessible. Right-click on the chat you want to unpin. This action will bring up a menu with various options. Step 3. Press Unpin from the menu to remove it. In the menu that appears after right-clicking the pinned chat, select the option that says Unpin. This will remove the chat from the pin section and place it back in its original position in the chats list. And there you have it. You've successfully unpinned a chat in WhatsApp on your PC. By unpinning a chat, you can keep your chats list organized and prioritize other important conversations. It's a useful feature to have when you want to declutter your pinned chat section. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.